If you've ever dealt with large datasets in Excel, you know the struggle of managing duplicate values. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of finding and removing duplicates records in Microsoft Excel. Open Excel with duplicates table data as shown here. Then select the cells, or columns or table from which you want to remove duplicates. Now in the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting and select Highlight Cells Rules. Then select Duplicate Values option. In the dialog box, just pick if you want a different color for the duplicate values and then click OK. Once the duplicate entries are identified, you can manually remove them easily. Method 2. Delete Excel duplicate entries with Remove Duplicates command. In Excel file, select the cells or columns from which you want to remove duplicates. Head over to the Data tab and then select Remove Duplicates. Click on Remove Duplicates button. This should open the Remove Duplicates window. Here, you can choose from which columns you want to remove duplicate values, and if your data has headers, then just check in this checkbox. Then click on OK button. Click on OK to see the duplicates removed from this table. Method 3. Hide Excel duplicate values using advanced filters. Select the cells, or columns from which you want to remove duplicates. From the Data tab, click Advanced to open the Filters window. You can make change to the record from where you want to apply filter. In Advanced Filter window, choose the Filter the List in Place, Radio button and Unique Records Only checkbox and click OK. You can see now duplicates records has been removed. Method 4. Remove Excel duplicates using the Power Query tool. Select the cells or range of cells that you want to check for duplicates. Now head over to the Data tab and click on From Table or Range. Provide the range of table and click on OK. In Power Query Editor, right-click on the column that you want to remove the duplicates and select Remove Duplicates. Click Close and Load from the menu to create a new sheet inside the current workbook with the unique entries. In this way we have shown you 4 ways to remove duplicate in Excel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.